hit the Windows button on your keyboard, then search for Settings. From there, go to Apps, then at the bottom of the list here, you'll see Startup. Now here's a list of all your startup apps. On the right here, you'll see the toggle button to turn them off, and then down here right below the name, it also says its impact on the startup. So if you go down to this one here, for example, it has a medium impact. So turning this one off will have a slightly bigger effect on my startup speed. And ones that are not measured or have a low impact probably won't make much of a difference on your startup speed. But you also want to pay attention to what you're turning off. For example, in my case here, Chrome is a very frequently used app, and it doesn't have a high impact on my startup speed, so I would leave that one on. But for example, down here, Skype, I never use Skype, so I can turn that off. And even if you have a whole list of low impact startups, they might have a large or medium sized impact on your startup speed just because a lot of low impact. They would add up. So going through this list and turning them off would definitely increase your startup speed.